in this video we are going to understand how to use the pen command and draw multicolored lines. So this is a small activity. Here you can see the car is moving and making some colorful lines. Likewise, the dog is watching the car and walking along and saying some message, like how the car is drawing multicolor lines, and he himself doesn't know that it is also drawing those same multicolor lines. So how these lines are getting printed along with different colors, that is what we are going to understand here. So in this activity we are using two sprites. One is this car, one is this dog, and the instructions are pretty simple. I'll zoom it for you. So what you can see is when you click on the green flag, you are giving some starting location, like the default location. So the car has to be at this place, like these are the x coordinates and the y coordinates. Every time you are going to click on the green flag, so the car is going to be at the same place. Likewise for the dog, we are giving some default values to the dog as well. Here you can see that when you click on the green flag, it is supposed to do nothing, it is supposed to hide. And once the car finishes its the distance, after that it will broadcast a message. So I come back at the last, and you can see here, once whatever the instructions are given to the car are being done, completed, so it is broadcasting a message that it's dog's turn now. And when this message is received by the dog, then only the dog starts to work on the game stage. So here you can see after the car is done, so the default location for the dog is this, like these are the coordinates which are given to the dog, and then it starts working on the game stage. Likewise, here let's understand for the car first. So at its default value, what we are doing is we are saying erase all. Erase all means whatever is there drawn already on the game stage, so that should not be visible, we need to erase that. For that purpose we are using this, and we are adding some wait instruction, like wait for a while, and then set pen size to 5. This is the width of the line. Like here you can see, when if you follow my mouse pointer, so this is the width that you can see of the line which has been drawn by the characters. So likewise we are setting some pen color. Like here there are multiple color options, you can choose any. I have chosen this one. So with this particular color, a line will be drawn for how much distance, like move 60 steps. So whatever the 60 steps distance is there, that is being followed by the car, so that much distance should be of this blue color. After that we are changing the color to yellow, and then again move 60 steps. So the next line for the 60 steps, if you follow my mouse pointer, you can see this is for yellow. And likewise we are changing the color to green and move 60 steps. Then again the next color in the same line is green, and then with the pink, and move 60 steps forward likewise. So these are the four colors which are used in this one sequence for the car. Likewise when it comes to the dog, so when it receives that message and appears on the screen like this, once the car is through and broadcasted that message, and the dog has received the message, so it is visible to the dog is visible on the game stage. And then the same instructions for the dog also, like if any previous colored lines are drawn by this particular character, so we need to erase them first, and after that we are going to display a message like the dog is thinking, like how the car is drawing some colorful lines. So you can put any message. I found that this one curious, so I added this, and this message will disappear after 2 seconds here. And you can increase or decrease the time duration as per your convenience. Likewise we are again setting the width to 5. First color will be blue that we have chosen, and then put the pen down so as to draw the line, and then move 60 steps. So the first 60 steps will be for blue color, and then the yellow color, and again displaying a message like I'm not getting it. So this message is again displayed here, and then the second line is drawn, likewise the third color and the fourth color. So this is how this activity is done. So if we move forward to the game stage and play it one more time, This is how it's pretty simple. You can increase or decrease the width of the line as per your convenience, and you can add some more creativity as you wish for.